Chapter 1. Why does English feel so hard sometimes? So tell me, why does English feel so hard sometimes? You sit down to learn. You try to remember new words. You listen to people speaking. And still, English feels heavy. It feels slow. It feels confusing. And guess what? That is completely normal. You are learning a whole new language. Of course, it takes time. You are not a robot. You are a human being with real feelings, real fears, and real dreams. Sometimes your mind works fast. Sometimes it moves slowly. Both are okay. You may think, I should learn faster. But the truth is, you are already learning. Every small step counts. Every word you understand today is something you did not know yesterday. Every mistake you make is helping you grow. Imagine a baby learning to walk. The baby falls again and again. But the baby never says, I cannot do this. The baby keeps trying. And one day, the baby stands up and walks. You are that baby in English. And you are moving forward, more than you realize. You have already learned so much. You are already listening. You are already practicing. And you are already changing your life. One small moment at a time. Some days you feel confident. Some days you feel tired. Some days you feel like giving up. And yet you keep coming back. That makes you strong. So relax, breathe, and enjoy this journey. You do not need to rush. You do not need to compare yourself with anyone. You only need to keep going. Welcome to English Journey FM. Here, you will learn in a calm, friendly way. No pressure, no fear. Just you, growing a little more every day. Chapter 2. Do you ever feel nervous speaking English? So tell me honestly, do you ever feel nervous when you speak English? Maybe your heart beats fast. Maybe your tongue feels heavy. Maybe your mind suddenly becomes blank. If this happens to you, then relax. You are not strange. You are not weak. You are simply learning. When you try to speak a new language, your brain works very hard. It pulls words from memory. It builds sentences. It checks grammar. It controls your voice. Everything happens in a few seconds. So of course you feel nervous sometimes. Anyone would. You might think, what if I say something wrong? You might worry, what if people laugh at me? You might feel, my accent is not good. But here is something important. Nobody starts perfectly. Even native speakers make mistakes every day. Think about the times when you spoke, and someone understood you. You did that. You used your courage. You pushed your fear away for a moment. That bravery is more important than perfect grammar. Your confidence grows when you use English, not when you hide from it. You can start small. Speak one sentence. Then speak two. Talk to yourself in front of a mirror. Talk to a friend. Talk to your phone. Talk to anyone who listens with kindness. Remember, every time you use English, you train your voice. You train your mind. You train your confidence. And these small trainings slowly turn into big changes. Some days you will speak smoothly. Some days you will struggle. But both days are useful. Both days are part of your journey. So next time you feel nervous, smile a little. Your fear is not a stop sign. It is just a reminder that you are learning something amazing. and you are becoming stronger than your fear. One word at a time. Chapter 3. How can you learn English without getting bored? Let me ask you something. How many times have you opened a book, tried to study English, and felt bored after 5 minutes? It happens to everyone. You sit there, you look at the page, and your mind says, "Please, not this again." But learning English does not have to feel boring. You can make it fun. You can make it part of your real life. Start with small things you enjoy. If you like music, listen to English songs. You do not need to understand every word. Just enjoy the sound, the rhythm, the voice. Later, you will start catching more and more words. If you like stories, try short English stories or simple podcasts. You can listen while walking, cleaning, or relaxing. It feels easy, and you still learn something new. You can also watch shows, cartoons, or YouTube videos in English. Choose something that makes you laugh or makes you curious. When your mind is happy, your learning becomes faster. Another great idea is to use English in daily life. You can talk to yourself in English while cooking or getting ready. You can describe things around you. This is my cup. I am making tea. I am going to work. Simple sentences build strong habits. You can also play small language games. Pick one new word every day. Try to use it in 3 sentences. Try to repeat it later. It takes only a few minutes, but it works. Remember, you will not learn everything in one day. But you can enjoy a little English every day. And when you enjoy something, you learn faster. So do not force yourself to study in a boring way. Choose fun. Choose curiosity. Choose your own style. Because English becomes easy when it becomes part of your life, not part of your stress. Chapter 4. Why does listening feel so difficult? Here is a simple question for you. Why does English listening feel so difficult sometimes? You listen carefully, you focus with all your energy, and still the words sound fast, mixed, or unclear. It feels like the speaker is running, and you are trying to chase them. Do not worry. You are not the only one who feels this way. Every learner struggles with listening in the beginning. Your ears need time to get used to new sounds, new accents, and new speeds. It is just like training your muscles. Slow at first, stronger later. Sometimes English speakers join words together. Sometimes they speak softly or quickly. Sometimes their accent sounds completely new to you. That is why listening feels confusing. But it does not stay confusing forever. You can make listening easier by starting small. Choose slow videos, simple podcasts, or children's stories. Your brain understands them easily. When you understand more, you feel more confident. You can listen to the same clip many times. The first time, you catch a few words. The second time, you catch more. The third time, you suddenly understand the meaning. Repeating is not boring. Repeating is powerful. Another trick is shadowing. You listen to a short sentence and repeat it immediately. You copy the sound, the rhythm, the voice. This helps your listening and speaking at the same time. You can also listen while doing daily tasks, like walking, cleaning, or cooking. Your mind stays relaxed, and relaxed listening works better than stressed listening. Do not expect yourself to understand everything today. You will understand more tomorrow, more next week, even more next month. Your ears are learning quietly, slowly, and beautifully. So do not be scared of fast English. You are catching more than you think. And with a little practice every day, listening will become your friend, not your fear. Chapter 5. What if you forget everything you learn? Let me ask you a simple question. What do you do when you learn a new word today and forget it tomorrow? Does it make you feel worried? Does it make you feel like you are not improving? If yes, then relax. Forgetting is a normal part of learning. Your mind is not a computer. It does not save every word instantly. Your brain needs time, practice, and repetition. You remember some things quickly and some things slowly, and that is completely okay. Think about how you learned your first language. You heard the same words again and again. You used them many times. You repeated them without even noticing. That is why you remember them today. English works the same way. If you forget a word, it does not mean you are weak. It only means your brain wants to see that word again. Maybe 2 times. Maybe 5 times. Maybe 10 times. Each brain is different. One helpful trick is spaced repetition. It means you review something after a little break. You learn a word today. You review it tomorrow. You review it after 3 days, and then again after 1 week. This method makes the word stay in your long-term memory. Another easy trick is to use new words in real life. Say them aloud. Write one simple sentence. Try to use the word in your day. When you use a word, you save it more deeply. Small practice also helps a lot. 5 minutes of review is better than 1 hour of stress. You can review words while traveling, waiting, or drinking tea. Short moments create strong memory. So do not panic when you forget something. You are learning. You are growing. And every forgotten word will return to you. When you meet it again, your memory is improving slowly, quietly, and beautifully, just like your English journey.